I did one of these last year. I don't think I did, and I usually do these. Did I do it last year? youtube.com/ So, did I do a birthday get ready with me last year? I did not, but I included it in a vlog video, so technically I did. Okay, so girl, we're doing one today. And I'm actually really excited because we're in California right now. I'm at Disneyland. I'm so excited. I came back because I rode that roller coaster and I literally got physically ill. I'm not even kidding you. I thought I was gonna vomit, so I needed to leave the premises. I don't do well on rides or walking. I lasted actually a very, very long time today. I've been awake since 6 a.m. So I've basically been walking since 6 a.m. to 5. That's a long time, girl. That is like too much time. So now we're gonna get ready because my birthday is in 6 hours. 6 hours. This is my little birthday pin that they gave me. It's so cute. I actually did not plan my birthday, and I last minute planned Vegas. Vegas never worked out, and then we went to Disneyland. Literally, I booked my flight 4 hours before I left. And then I have 2 outfits to try on. I don't know which one I want to take pictures in. There's like a pink vibe, and then there's like a black glitter black. So yeah, I'm also not that too fond of those dresses, but those are the only 2 options that I had. I originally ordered a birthday dress 1 month ago because I wanted this birthday dress so bad. And then literally like a couple days ago, it was like, yeah, it's not coming. Like, it literally got lost. Like UPS lost it. I was like, okay, so I cried. I literally cried. And then I had another outfit that I also ordered as like a backup to that one. Yeah, that never came, so I cried again. Okay, so I just like did my skin. I washed my face with the It Confidence in a Cream. I used the entire line, so I like washed my face with like the cleanser, and then I used this little cream. It's It Confidence in a Cream. Love this stuff. Like, this is my second job. And then I've been like doing the little like matching eye cream. I love eye creams. So we're gonna do my eyebrows now. Like I said, I use Dip Brow. This is an ebony, if you guys are wondering. And then I kind of just like, so here's what I do. I don't like to like overdo the brows. Like, I know like with Dip Brow, you can like overdo it and like it looks insane. I try not to overdo it. So I barely tap up any of like the product, and then I just like outline my eyebrows, like my natural one. I just like brush them up a little bit, and then I just, wow, I really needed an eyebrow wax too. It's fine. Just like draw. I draw like underneath and just like kind of like draw the front a little bit. The ending is more dark than like the front. Does that make sense? Yeah. And then I just go up here and just fill up the top of my eyebrow. And like I have like a freckle on top of my eyebrow, so like eyebrow hairs do not grow up there. So sometimes I do have to like draw a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna like fill them in. But I fill them in like really lightly. Like I don't like tap it back up in the brush. So whatever was left over, I just like fill it in. I don't know, I like to do it like naturally. Like it almost looks like I do it with powder, but I didn't do it with powder. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eyebrow because this clip is just already too long, girls. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? So I carved out my brows. I used my fave concealer ever, you know, the pony effect. Guess what? It's not freaking sold anymore. So this is my last time ever freaking using it. I'm not even gonna, I cried and had a mental breakdown. So I've been like mixing these 2 together usually, but I really want my makeup to come out like bomb today, so like I like obviously use this one. Like I'm gonna like just save this one for like special events, but I didn't want to bring like a huge makeup bag, so I only brought 2 palettes. I brought the Natasha Denona little like palette, and then this one's my favorite, Dose of Colors Baked Browns. Literally my favorite palette ever. They're basically kind of like literally like almost the exact same palette, but they're like not. They're both amazing. Whenever I do like crazy birthday makeup or like bedazzles, I end up wishing that I did like natural. So we're just gonna do like natural. I'm picking up that little like just small color and just fluffing it into my crease. I don't know if I'm gonna do more lighter or darker. I think I'm gonna try and like just darken it up more with like the browns. Oh my god, so yesterday I was on the plane, right? I have to tell you guys this story. It was actually kind of like, it was like funny, but I was also like, what the heck just happened? I like to fly Southwest because 2 free bags, and like I bring so much stuff that I need the 2 free bags. So like with Southwest, it's like open seating, so like in your boarding group, you board obviously. Well, I was like before my mom. Obviously, I want to sit by my mom, so I'm gonna save my mom a seat, you know, like as if any other person on the plane with flying Southwest, I bet you they would save their significant other or like their best friend, or like they would just save a seat, you know what I'm saying? So I have my huge ass bag like on the seat right next to me, okay? And mind I tell you, this flight was not booked, okay? There was 55 open seats, 55. Do you know how many rows? It's like, do you know how many seats that, 55 seats, like that is a lot of seats, you know? This man straight comes and like, I see him like putting his bag in the overhead. So I'm like, oh, there's just like no space. So like maybe he's putting it right here, you know? But I'm like, there's no seats right here. So I don't really know why he's doing it. This man goes to sit on my bag. Literally sit on my bag. Like my bag was literally not there. He did not see my bag. It's a huge bag. I'm talking like if I showed it on screen, it would be like this big. That's how bag, like the bag is huge. Man did not see and just proceeded to sit on it. I was like, sir, my mom's sitting here. And then he got up and like he looked at me and he was like, and then walked away. I'm like, why are you confused? You just sat on my bag. So like, shouldn't I be confused? Is that wrong for me to be appalled? Like, what would you guys do if somebody came and like sat on your bag? Like, understand, like, here's my thing. I would completely understand if you were like, hey, is anyone sitting here? No, there was no, hey, is anyone sitting here? Absolutely nothing. There wasn't even a hi, hello, how are you? How was your day? It was just this man proceeded to sit on my bag. Comment down below, have you guys ever been to Disneyland? I feel like a lot of people have, but also I'm actually like surprised by the amount of people that I know that have not been. I literally have not been, I'm not even kidding you, since I was like young, like I'm talking like 14 probably, a long freaking time ago. And so I'm so excited to be here. I literally forgot the one makeup brush that I need for my eyeshadow. Okay, so I guess we're gonna use this one. Let's see how this turns out, because it's probably not gonna turn out good. Ugh, okay, that's not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna finish like my eyes because this clip is really long and it won't come back. Okay, so I did that to like my eye or whatever. We did the part that I thought was gonna mess up. I'm gonna take like this palette and we're gonna take that little light color. Oh my god, I didn't even bring that brush either. I hope you guys can see, like, I feel like literally, I don't know why the lighting is so freaking bright right now. I even like tried to turn the brightness down on this and it's like, I just heard someone scream on a roller coaster. So that was literally me. My sister made me go on the roller coaster today. And now I'm not really like a roller coaster amusement park just type of, I used to be. Started reading all these horror stories of like people like falling from rides or like, you know, just like things going down. And so now I'm kind of scared. Honestly, I'm literally gonna be straight up, like I'm a scaredy cat on like some ride. I wanted to be like a fun sister and like go on the ride. I hated it. Literally the entire time, I literally hated it. I literally like closed my eyes for a majority of it because I wanted it to be over. Whenever I want something to be over, I just like close my eyes and then just like imagine it not happening. I got off the ride. I think we rode that around like 11 or 12 or something like that. And for the next, until I left at like what, like 4:30? From like 11:30 to like 4, I felt ill. Like that ride messed me up. That ride completely just like, cause I feel like like California Adventure is more like crazy, like, you know, like rides. I guess sort of like Disneyland too, but like Disneyland's just more like chill, like the little kiddie rides. Like I want to go on Peter Pan. I want to go on the teacups. Like I want to go on Snow White. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like those are the easy, like short little, like no effort rides. Like I guess I'm just like, I'm like a child basically. Okay, so we're gonna go on to skin now. I'm gonna do like the lashes and whatever like after. I'm gonna go in with this VDL primer. I've been using it recently. It's kind of like a, I guess it's kind of like a shine to your face. So it kind of makes you look glowy. Not me literally using the camera as a mirror. I already know, matte and poreless, but I got a pump. My Maybelline Fit Me, I love this foundation. I got a pump on it. My friend Megan actually, like I watched like, she like this TikTok haul and she saw these little pumps. Got it. It comes in a 2-pack, but my dogs chewed the other one, so I only have this one. So freaking convenient, dude. You guys don't even understand. Like I love the pump. Love the pump. So I just do like 1.5 pumps. It's just so much more easier. And then I have to like, recently I've been having to like smear the foundation on my face or it doesn't like blend well. Oh my god, I don't have a mirror. I don't have a mirror. Hold on, I'm panicking. This foundation like dries sometimes quick, so I gotta do it like in sections. I also don't put that much foundation on. Like I said, I do like 1.5 pumps for my entire face, and then like if I need more, I'll do like concealer or whatever. But the fact that I've literally gone through probably like 13 bottles of these like is insane. So Maybelline, if you're watching this video, please sponsor me or send me products. And your tan foundation, I'm shade 118. So if you wanna like send it over a lifetime supply, please, because this is the only foundation that I use. Now I'm going in with my this is not Maybelline. This is Too Faced. That fucking zit right here has been on my face, you guys. I shit you motherfucking not. For like 2 weeks now, it will not go away. There is nothing I do that gets this goddamn pimple off my fucking face. There's nothing. I put pimple patches after pimple patches. Today, I wore a pimple patch on it. Like to Disneyland, I wore a pimple patch. Like people probably definitely stare at me. Like I'm trying to get rid of this hoe because she is so annoying and it won't go away. I don't know what to do. Like it literally will not go away. Like it's like the redness is starting to go away. It was just like so freaking angry this morning that I was like, I have to wear a pimple patch because if I don't, then it's like, I would rather someone stare at a clear little dot on my face than a fucking huge ass red zit, like don't you think? I've been mixing this Dose of Colors one and then this L'Oreal one, it's like multiple shades lighter. I do it one at a time because like I said, my skin is not like makeup, so I have to do it in sections. But I've actually been really liking low-key this combination. I didn't know if I was going to because I've been so hooked on that one concealer. But I've actually been kind of liking this combination. Let me know, what are your guys' favorite concealer combinations, or just what concealer do you use for underneath your eyes? I have extremely dry under eyes, so I need something with like hella hyaluronic acid or just like It needs to be extremely hydrating and not like creasy. Does that make sense? Okay, so now we're gonna go with some powder. Laura Mercier, love, 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 love this powder. This is like my, oh pretty girl. We forgot to cream contour. We almost set my face without cream contouring. Okay, wait, pause the show. Pause the show, girl. Because my concealer just exploded and I don't know where my contour is. Okay, so I use this Wet n Wild in the shade Where's Walnut. I love this stuff. I don't know what it is. It's so freaking good and I literally think it's like $3 or something like that. Oh my god, I almost had a literal, oh my god, I'm gonna have a heart attack. Where's that brush at? When I use this little stipple brush, I dip. I've been doing that literally for years. I cannot draw on my skin. It does not work. It literally like, I've never really been like a cream contour girl because it never worked out. And then I started doing that and like, I've been doing it for years and it works, girl. The OGs know the drill. So I'm just gonna go like that, cream contour up a little bit on my cheeks. Those cars are literally so freaking annoying. I'm so sorry if you can hear those in the background. Like, it's literally bugging me. I wish I had like a mirror that was not like this. I mean, I actually was totally gonna go sit in the bathroom and do this get ready with me, but I've been standing all day that I was like, to stand to do my makeup right now, like, that's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna go in with powder under my eye and just powder her all over. And then we pat to try. Make sure that everything is all set and dry. Forehead. Does anyone else do that? Like, pat. Because I've been doing that literally for so many years and like, how else are you supposed to know? Like, you just don't know. Now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go back in with bronzer, but we're gonna use this one, NARS Laguna, and I'm gonna take, oh god, where's that brush? Did I even bring it? Here's the thing, if I don't overpack, then I forget everything. Like if I pack like just what I need, it's not enough because every single time that I overpack, I have literally everything and more than I need. But today I was trying to be like conservative and all that stuff and like, yeah, no. So I'm using this little brush. Oh, I also made an Amazon storefront. I don't know if I have not mentioned that in a YouTube video, I don't think yet. So I have like my makeup brushes and like a bunch of other like stuff that I've gotten off Amazon linked on there. So if you guys are interested in like any of the products that I use, go check it out seriously, because I actually spent like 12 hours like linking all the products. Because it's actually not easy. Like it's not like you can go pick the link from like what you were doing. Like no, you have to like search the product and then figure which one it is. And it doesn't even tell you the brand name. You have to click on every single image until you find the exact one that you got. Like, girl, it was a lot of work. So Il Makiage Lady Marmalade. You guys know I love this blush. It's just so stunning and gorgeous on its own. And then Dior, which one is this one? Rosy Glow, the one that was like all over TikTok. Yeah, I loved it. I bought it because of like TikTok, obviously. And then I didn't use it, and like now I'm like really into it. I love like the pinkiness that it gives. So this is a Luxie brush tapered highlighter. So I just go like this, smile, and just put it all over my cheeks. Sorry that the camera's moving because like obviously my phone's on the bed. And then we go in with this one, and then we do the same thing, but this one I kind of like sweep up more, sort of like up into my face. Does that make sense? I like put it on my cheeks, but then I like kind of like, not like blend it up to my eyes that much, but like in that general area. I forgot to bake. Literally, I hated myself. I literally cannot not bake the under part of my face. Makeup just does not look the same. I'm telling you, if you don't do it, do it. The one thing you learn from this video today is if you don't do this whole little, just do it. It creates a different, just like carved out shape to your face. So now I'm gonna do highlighter. My favorite highlighter, Becca. Literally, she shattered. I'm not even kidding you. I was filming a TikTok get ready with me and she shattered for the first time on camera. I was so flabbergasted. I was like, there's just no way. Like I had to laugh before I cried. We just like put her up here. Oh, like girl. I don't know. I really love the way that she looks like with my blush. So we do that. If I didn't bring any other brush, why would I bring my nose highlight brush? So what brush are we gonna use? We're gonna have to use nose contour brush again. She is a multi-purpose brush today. You guys already know the drill. The inner corner. I have to literally do the inner corner or I just feel like incomplete. And then tip of the nose. And then you guys know the drill. Okay, so I'm gonna go apply mascara, lashes, and all that stuff. Recently picked it up at Ulta because I liked the packaging. I thought the packaging was really pretty. It's crazy volume. It's like $3 at Ulta or like $4. Love it. I actually like literally love it so much. So Gonna go do this and then we'll be right back and do the lips. Guys, so this is the huge bag that was like on the, you see it's like literally bigger than me. This was the huge bag that was on the seat that the man sat on. But he sat on, he was like, yeah, fuck that girl's bag, I'm just gonna sit on it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this lip pencil blushing. Why are my lips like not like lip lining today? Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with, I wanna do this one. I think I'm gonna do this one, I love this one. Wait, no, this is the wrong one. Oh, we can do this one. Okay, so this is, I didn't mean to get this one. This is Sugar High. I thought I brought my other one, but I guess I didn't. So we're gonna try this one. I've never tried this one before, so let's see how it is. Oh, it's cute. It kind of just like more nudes out the lip in a way. Yeah, it's cute, isn't it? This is the makeup, you guys. She kind of turned out really cute. A little birthday glam. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and re-straighten like some of the pieces of my hair, and then I'm gonna show you guys the dresses and we're gonna try them on. And then, yeah. We're gonna take some Instagram pictures. I hope they turn out really good. I have high hopes that they're gonna turn out good, but I don't know, you know, like sometimes they just like don't be turning out good, so I'm scared. But yeah, this is the makeup look. You guys literally just fell off the tripod, like straight like the thing from the tripod. So I guess we'll just hold you guys like this. So yeah, I'm gonna go get changed and then like fix up my hair a little bit, and then I'll see you guys in a second. I had to run downstairs because I didn't have any hairspray or gel because it was just too much to bring. So I had to pay $12. You know, like those like travel size hairsprays and gels that are $1 at Target? Yeah, I had to pay $12 for both of those. How does this light work? That looks ugly. So did that look good? Which one looks better? Maybe we'll just keep it on so you guys can see me, whatever. But it comes with gloves, and the gloves is what throws me off because like the arm and like the little finger holes are like kind of strange. I don't know, but I have this little like pink moment. It comes with the pink gloves, and then I have this little black moment. It looks like a little black rhinestone moment, and she's super cute, but I think she just kind of like fits awkward on my body. I don't know. I think I just have body dysmorphia or something. I wanted to like wear like a crown for the pictures, but then I also have these like happy birthday silver. I kind of like the silver ones better, and then I also have these ones to take pictures with if I wanted to. So yeah, it's kind of like fun. And then I'm thinking about putting these like little jewels maybe on like the pink moment, like 3 little jewels on each side or something, just like spice it up. I don't know. I'm really excited for these pictures. I hope they turn out good. The lighting is too harsh, but look at my eyes, guys. I think the bathroom vibe will be cute with like these little like silver things, the little, and then this one. These kind of look like New Year's ones though, but they're super cute, so we're just gonna use them. And then I also have like a little like glass if I want to hold it. I don't know if we're gonna use this, but okay guys, got the little hats. That's kind of cute, is it not? With like a little, is that cute or what? I don't know.